At Propel Schools, we don't just prepare scholars for graduation, we prepare them for what comes next. Through our specialized high school pathways, our scholars are turning passions into careers before they even walk across the graduation stage. Welcome to Propel Montour High School, a community where scholars don't just plan for the future, they take charge of it. Through 3 dedicated career pathways: entrepreneurship, health and human services, and the trades. We empower our scholars to turn their passions into real-world careers.
Having a specialization in high school gives Propel students a competitive edge. It allows students to become exposed to real-world stuff while they're in high school.
Success looks like the scholars are prepared to do what they need to do to gain employment when they leave us, either being on the path to go to college, being on the path to go to trade school, or enter right into the world of work right away.
My career goals are, in the long run, to be a criminal psychologist. So I would definitely like to double major when I get to college. Next year I will be taking AP US History, so that will give me my college credits. I plan to take AP Art, so I can collect my college credits while I'm in high school.
So included in our programming is character development, career development as early as grade 6.
My name is Harper Williams. I'm in 6th grade and I am a proud Propel Montour Middle School scholar. I feel like schools should help kids learn more and teach them the basic skills that they can learn to be able to be a doctor, actor, singer, like the things I want to do, but do more things that they want to discover.